It's Monday morning, April 27th, and we're getting ready to go to town. Larry's got a doctor's appointment with a heart doctor at 9. So we'll probably go have breakfast first. Then we got a couple of errands to run. Okay. We're waiting here for going into the doctor's, but Larry has the hiccups. You don't want to go in the office like that.
Drink my coffee. I might be all right. All right. Okay. About ready to go? Okay, they're gone.
They're gone?
Yeah.
Go on.
Good morning.
Oh, how you doing?
Fine. How are you?
Good morning.
We could give her Thursday, that way we have time to call transportation. Thursday? No, Thursday is the 30th. Uh-huh. Okay, hold on,
They're
let me
gone.
give you down.
They're gone?
Hold on.
Yeah, they're gone.
Here we are back in the exam room,
Trying
just
to-
waiting on Dr. Miller.
That picture.
Well, here at the library. Thought we'd pick up some books on tape. Haven't had any for a while. There's no buzzards today. They must have all migrated to Hinckley. This is our second trip to town. We came in to get some medicine, Larry's and mine, and some lunch. Had a Whopper at Burger King. And we gotta still pick up a drill. And then we can go home and play cards.
Maybe.
Maybe. I gotta get the wash in off the line yet. We're here and Larry got his drill. The one we had, the battery died, and the new battery I think was $50. So he got a better one where it won't die so quick. Ooh. That's
$20 in tax.
Ted and Barbara came over and played cards, and Barbara won. But I got sidetracked and forgot to film them leaving, so just pretend they're going down the road. But Barbara won, fair and square. And we got the puzzle done. Reva finished it. It's pretty. Larry has the hiccups again.
You're going to think I'm just doing it, but I ain't. Oh, it's aggravating. I'm getting hot.
It's the end of another day. We got a lot done today, but we didn't get too much on camera, I don't think. Got some laundry done, did a lot of running around in town, and we had a problem getting our medicines refilled. They thought they'd give us 90 a month ago, and they only gave us 30 pills. Anyway, we got it all straightened out. And I won't be making daily vlogs for the next probably week or so, week and a half. I'm having my computer upgraded, and so it'll be faster and nicer and better once it's all done. But in the meantime, I won't be able to post any vlogs until I see you again or talk to you again. Be happy, be healthy. See you soon.